we should do an introduction because this is what, the 30th of April. We've got Andy here from, there he is. Andy's here from Halifax. He's come all the way to help me fit my engine.
So, he can't manage on his own, you know.
I am hoping to get some information how to do it. Hey, we've had a bit of excitement this morning, haven't we?
We have a bit of excitement.
The bloody moose was running down the road. I better get some.
My first ever moose.
That's right.
Never seen one before.
And of course my security cameras, bloody hard drive didn't pick it up.
I've got it on mine.
Yeah, get it on yours. We'll put a little insert here.
Yeah. We'll see how much.
It was cute, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Big, wasn't it?
It was big. Yeah. You don't want to run into one of them things.
When I lived up the other Sand Hill there, our local postman was killed by a moose.
Is it?
Ran straight into. They don't like short. I think they're short-sighted and they couldn't see.
Yeah.
They just run straight in the road. And he hit it full on. It's like a ton of meat, isn't it?
Well, I'm going to say because he's got such long legs and he's straight through your windscreen.
Oh, that's right. I've known some horror stories about meat. I knew we should eat them.
Eat them?
Eat them.
I don't know about eating.
Yeah.
Is it stable this one?
Oh no, it's a good one. That was made in Sweden, was that? I was going to get JP's in his armoury has got an air over oil.
Oh, yeah.
So I can just plug it in and do it with my foot, which is a lot easier. Okay.
Very surprising what you can feel.
Oh shit! I forgot about something. We have to take the wheels off.
Right. Then it'll go over the thing.
Doesn't go over.
Slight air out.
No, they're too narrow. Well, I forgot about that. When I lifted it up before, the engine frame catches between the tyres.
You not just take one off?
I'll just jack it up and take both of them off.
Yeah.
I completely forgot about that because we've got.
So we would have worked that out.
Eventually.
Yeah.
Like Manuel.
Stick our axles down.
There's two jacks in. There's little jacks in there. Where do you want to be? Right, down again.
Yeah. We're near enough in line, it's just pretty much straight down.
Yeah, because it goes at an angle, we'll move the...
About an inch and a half, couple of inch. Pretty much a tiny bit back there-ish.
Okay.
Maybe a bit lower. Yeah, let's go down a bit more.
Yeah, it's a pity I couldn't use the balance beam because then that makes it really easy to get them in.
Yeah, pretty much it.
We're good? I replaced all the studs. I'll push it forwards. It wants to be to you.
To me, the whole engine?
Yeah, that's it.
It looks twisted. Looks twisted that way. There you go.
Look at that. That was good. Right. Do you want to push and I'll turn the wheel?
Yeah.
Because it has to be in now, eh?
Got it.
Yeah, they're through.
Is there help for that? What's missing?
It's high at the top a little bit.
High at the top.
Yeah, can you lower it down a bit? Bit more. Because it's starting to bend and struggle a bit. Well, that should be there.
Maybe a bit of push.
My God, it's so low.
So is it, you getting resistance?
Yeah. Well, we've still. Oh, I'll tell you what, Andy, just jack up the transmission a bit. You see, there's a gap at the bottom. There. Look at that. Now we can hear it. I'm turning the engine now. I can see the clutch turning.
Yeah, it's just.
Yeah,
It's just what's now, it's just slide in.
Try the jack again, because we're almost there.
That's more like it, isn't it?
I wouldn't like to be doing this under enemy fire.
No, pedals in the bottom really.
I'd have left it with you.
Yeah.
What do we like gap at the top? Right, action. So, after a frustrating afternoon of looking for nuts and bolts, washers and things like that we've lost,
And we still haven't found.
we've got a dodgy battery. We haven't put the radiator in yet because we don't want to take it out again. What a nightmare these engine mountings are, eh?
And they just.
Weren't they poorly thought out, eh?
British engineering.
You can't beat it. Rugged, but impractical to work on.
Yeah.
It's almost like a French car.
No, not that bad.
Right,
No. I've
let's,
got lots of
let's see what happens. Will it start?
No, not yet, it's out of it. Oh, look at that.
Straight to the bloody nut, eh?
It's alive!
First flip. Well, I got timing right then.
You did.
The valve timing. Hey! Oh, no chocolate either. Pop, pop.
Bang, play down the window.
No smoke is not being blown. Okay, it could be tiny on the... I just did it.
There's no oil leaking yet, so
Alright. That was a great success, eh?
it worked.
Yeah, it gets hot quick, doesn't it?
It does. So what comes?
Put the radiator in.
Now we need to fit the bolts for the radiator.